Looking for an easy way to clean high windows without using a ladder? This 7.2-meter telescopic window cleaner is designed to make your cleaning routine safer and more efficient. With its extendable pole, you can easily reach second-floor windows, conservatories, and other hard-to-access areas. The included 25-centimeter squeegee ensures a streak-free finish, giving your windows a professional clean at home. It is lightweight, durable, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you are cleaning your home or office, this tool saves time and effort while delivering great results. Check the link in the description to learn more or get yours today.